Okay, so for this number 3, use trapezoidal rule. Okay, so trapezoidal rule, still trapezoidal rule. Evaluate this, dividing this interval into 4 sub-interval. 4 sub-interval means our number of the trapezium is 4. Okay, 4 sub-interval. Then correct our 4 decimal place. So we will calculation will plus 2 becomes 6 decimal place we will take. Okay, so first step. First step, trapezoidal rule, we're going to find out what is our h. So our h will be b minus a over n. Where is our b? Upper limit. Okay, a is our lower limit. Therefore, we substitute inside here. Pi over 2 minus pi over 6 over n, we got 4. Okay, we try to press. So when you see you have having your fraction in fraction, right? So we press this fraction format first so that it will not confuse which one is numerator, which one is denominator when we key in our calculator, and our calculator can understand what you're doing. So at numerator here, we still have a fraction. So it will shift pi over 2 minus fraction shift pi over 6 divided by 4. So for every height of the trapezium, we have pi over 12. Okay, then after that, we are going to build up our table. So we have 4 interval. We have 4 stripe of trapezium, means we will have 5 ordinates. Okay, coordinates will be more than number of intervals. Just imagine we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So coordinate here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 ordinates. So plus 2 more row for our title and row. So total we need to draw out this table in 7 row. Okay, in 7 row. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So this is for x coordinate, and then this is for y coordinate. Okay, so x, y, we're going to press in our calculator is square root cos x. So this is our x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. Lastly is our total. So here is y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. Okay, then we use our calculator here. Use our mode. Find out our table, number 9. And then we will start from our function will be square root cos alpha x. Enter. And then gx we don't have, so skip. Just enter. So start from our lower limit. So it is fraction, so shift pi over 6. Okay, so it will be like this. Then next, next. Okay, and pi over 2. Okay, so what is our step? So what is our height of means what is our length? What is our length here? Our length here, which is our height. It will be shift pi over 12. Okay, so for this place, if you want to remain in the pi form, okay, it will be like this. Start from your pi over 6 until you get pi over 2. Okay, so 1 over 6 plus on 1 over 6 plus on this. So you can take down your y coordinate first. So 0 point, how many 9 here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So extra 2. 7, 9. Okay, so is it correct? This is not correct because of what? Because we are using degree. Okay, so please double check. Angle unit must be in radian. So this is not correct. So once we change, okay, radian already. So one more time, GX don't have. Starting, shift pi over 6, shift pi over 2, and then shift pi over 12. Okay, one by one. Okay, done. Then only we can jot down this y coordinate correctly. Okay, never use our degree. Okay, use our radian. So this is 0.93, 0605. Why become 0.5? Because after 4 is 8, so you need to round off. Then we going down 0.84, 0.896. Okay, then going down 0.7071607. 43 because of 6 need to round off. Then lastly 0. Okay, so if you're not sure how to write this, then you have to calculate. So I clear off this table first. It will be setting like this. This is 1 over 6, right? So 1 over 6. Then we're going to add its height, which is 1 over 12. So the next will be 1 over 4 pi. Okay, in terms of pi lah. So plus, again, continue for the next height, 1 over 12, 1 over 3 pi. Then add on, continue, 1 over 12. Okay, so this is 5 over 12 pi. So in terms of pi, yeah, so then we add on 1 over 12 to double check. Yes, 1 over 2. So means we are correctly x coordinate. Our y coordinate, we are using our calculator to help us to find out. So we now going to do our total. Then finally, we can use our details in our table to help us to find out our trapezoidal rule, which is integrate pi over 6 until pi over 2 for square root cos x dx, approximate, okay, approximate to h over 2 for the first coordinate here, and plus twice times the coordinate at the back here. Okay, then we press our calculator. So be careful here because this is fraction over fraction, right? So you have to press fraction first. Then only enter your numerator. Your numerator as a fraction of pi over 12. Or not, it will confuse your numerator and denominator. So you can see my cursor when I move here. You can see here. Here is a big cursor to indicate that here is a fraction. Then now only go for denominator is 2. Okay, so it will be 0.66. Finally, then only we round off to the question that is 4 decimal. So 0.6603. Okay, 4 decimal as the question asks. Of course, we can check our answer. Okay, so for checking our answer, we can use this directly integration. You bear in mind if you have defined integral when you have limit, you can always use your calculator to check answer whether your calculation is correct or not. Okay, so square root cos alpha x. Make sure you are in radian, yeah. Make sure you are in radian. At the bottom here is shift pi over 6. Next, up here is shift pi over 2. Okay, so 1 point something. Okay, so 1 point something a bit error, a bit error. Very much more error. Why? Because this one is just approximate method, means we have a lot of place that missing here, that we miscalculate, so that's why we have an error. So checking our defined integral and trapezoidal root, we always have an error there. Yeah, that's is mean by our trapezoidal rules here.